Alright, I think we have everything figured out now. I do believe we have it all figured out now. Sorry about all the bit rate. Slower than recommended. What the heck is going on? I don't know. Okay, I'm well, I don't know what to do. My stream settings are out of whack or something, man. Maybe something in your settings. Yeah, I think so. I'm just gonna have to close it down and grab eat dinner with my family real quick, and I'll be back. But right now we're up $83. I'm gonna set my stop pretty tight just because I don't want to lose. But trying to get, I need like $50 more. Let's see. Hang on. I'm gonna do this live. If it's lagging, I apologize. I literally need $55 here. $60 now. Push Nasdaq. All right. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna end this stream. I'll be back. I promise. I'm gonna figure it out. Current bit rate of 1656 is lower than recommended bit rate. We recommend bit rate of 6800 kbs. Man, I did that. Oh my gosh. Output 6800. 5 seconds. Profile baseline. Are y'all still on here? Wow. Thought I ended the stream. Must have two going at one time. I bet that's the problem. Let's see. We're live. Okay, it's good now. All right. Let's see. I changed my settings and all right, I didn't realize I was still streaming either. Awesome. Got it figured out. After all this junk. I think there was 2 streams going at once. But anyway, I'll be right back. $70 more. I think I made like $80 on that. Oh, 70 more. I need yeah, $70, $71. I'm a little nervous about putting a trade in up the top here, so, but I kind of want to, so I'm gonna put my stop pretty tight and just get back in. Let's see if that works. If it pulls back too much, I'm willing to risk like 30 bucks. All right, I'm coming. Thank you. All right, I'll risk about 30 bucks and maybe we will make our number. Sorry about all the issues, man. This has been crazy. Never had issues like this before. BRB. All right, we're back. We are back. Hopefully no more lagging. All right. It's looking good to the upside still. Let's just put one in and let it run. We need how much now? I think we lost 30 bucks, so $110. Forget how slow Asia session runs. Oh, guys, for sure, today is the last day to get that 50% off Take Profit Trader, by the way. Use code TVT. T as in Tom, V as in Victor, T as in Tom. Last day, 50% on any account. You can only use it one time, though. One time. Never too late. Going long. Yes, I'm long currently. Hoping it continues to stay to the upside. I feel like we're kind of waving in it, but it could come back down. Who knows? I can't make the market do what I want it to do, but yeah, always iffy for sure. 100%. Everything that I see points to a nice reversal. We've came down pretty hard. Now we're consolidated. We are working our way up slowly, but definitely working our way up. And I don't need much. I just need let's see, price, we're at 23.17, 50 points with one contract. If we shoot up to the 23.39, 40 area, then I'll probably add in. Maybe even sooner. If we can make new highs here. Right here on this candle. So buy limit here. Can you do a buy limit on this like that? I don't know how to do it. I'll just hit the button. LT Dan, stop by. I don't know how to do it on here though. This right here? Okay. Thanks. I seen you had a pretty good day today, man. Yeah, today was pretty easy. I was driving around spraying lawns and trading on my iPad again. I got done working at like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. I didn't catch the straight up. I caught the chop. I caught all this right here. I was literally I not I didn't necessarily buy here, but I know I sold here, bought here, sold here, and bought here. You caught this right here, maybe? Or this pre-market stuff? Or a different instrument? My bad. Didn't mean to mute. Has anyone ever heard of flux charts? Justin Williams, what software are you using to have all your accounts visible above you? I can't figure out how to bunch all my accounts like that. That's Ninja Trader, this right here. It doesn't have all my accounts. Top Step accounts are not on there. But what you do is when you set up Ninja Trader, it has all your connections. And you click on connections, and then you go to configure, and I'll just show you. Disconnect all mine. I'll leave tradeify up. And trade day. All right, so when you first set up Ninja Trader, you'll have this, but you won't have any of these connections. You're gonna go down to configure, and then you'll scroll down. If you have like Apex or any of the main, you'll just choose. You'll double click Ninja Trader here, and it adds it down here. My Ninja Trader. So let's say we're doing Take Profit Trader. You can do TPT or name it whatever you want to name it, so you know it's Take Profit. But you'll put your username and your password. You can make it ask, or you can automatically sign, connect on startup. But make sure you have simulation. Then hit apply. I'm gonna cancel it because I don't have to. But then you'll have all these connections here. Here's my live account, the Buell Knox. These are Rhythmic. Take Profit Trader. Then you just configure them and add them, and then whenever you're ready to connect them, you just click on it. Apex, or any of them. I have 2 live accounts on here also. You can put your actual live accounts on there too. What is this? 2 buy limit. Take profit pro. See, this right here will get you in trouble. This being left on the screen, it will get you in trouble. You go to sleep and price comes down, hits that, comes up a little bit, and then down. That'll get you. I'm so glad I saw it. It's a good habit to get in and go to all your accounts and check and make sure you don't have any limits. I appreciate your help. I wonder if this feature works. Tradeivate. I chart with TradingView, but place my trades in Tradeivate. Thanks for the help. Tradeivate and NinjaTrader are a lot alike, but NinjaTrader is like a better version of it. In my opinion, I like Tradeivate too, but I don't like their charting. NinjaTrader is just a lot better. So if I were you, I would check out NinjaTrader and try to make that work for you. With NinjaTrader though, you have I don't think you can do that in NinjaTrader. I don't think it has like connections. You have to be in each individual account. Yeah, Tradeivate and NinjaTrader, you log in. You can log into either one. They're the same. They're the same company. So all these are Tradeivate accounts that I showed you. They're just put into NinjaTrader, except for my live account. Alright, I think I'm going to go ahead and let this play a bull flag here and tag me in for a third contract. Probably going to need just a few more points after that. I'm telling you, man, Justin, if you try NinjaTrader, it's a lot better. Because when you're in a buy position, for instance, let me show you. Wait, is it? Okay. So, I mean, you see these lines? These are so much better than Tradeivate. And then Tradeivate, let me log in. Un momento, por favor. I gotta find. That's making me install and relaunch a update here. I'm not even sure I've ever actually pulled up the desktop application. I've always just used the browser on Tradeivate. I keep Tradeivate pulled up to see drawdown, but I have it over here now, so I don't have to worry about it. Where you at? All right. Make sure that update went through. All right. All right, we can show this. Well, quit messing up, dude. So, if you buy here, I don't want to buy 3. That's all you got. I mean, the lines, you can't really see much. To me, it's not as good. So I'm going to take the $10 loss and get out. Break even. But like I said, on this, you have the lines you can move. You have the lines too on Tradeivate, but they're right here. It's a lot better. NinjaTrader is so much better. catch up on the chat. Yeah, you'll have to go download it. Thanks, Cave, for helping him out. Yeah, but I use TradingView too, but you can't use... What happened? What? Oh, wow, my extra buy came in. The part you wanted to see was all the connections and accounts. So to have that, you have to have NinjaTrader, and NinjaTrader is better. I'm liking Top Step too, by the way. It's pretty cool. But I do chart on the TradingView accounts. That's what I use. Here's all my TradingView. These are the connections that you're seeing. Then I have the Apex copier. Here's the TradingView chart, Top Step X. There's usually a TradingView chart behind that as well. So, and then this is NinjaTrader. But yeah, I mean, I really love TradingView. It's pretty awesome. Oh, NinjaTrader is only desktop? I think so. I've never actually tried to access. I think you can access it in the browser. I'm not 100% sure, but I've only ever used the desktop app. TradingView has some good indicators. Oh yeah, for sure. They do on NinjaTrader also. Is there something I need to do to access NinjaTrader's web interface like you? Yeah, go to ninjatrader.com, log in with your account, your Tradeify account that you got from whatever funded account, and then you download the desktop app. And then once you download and install it, you'll have a chart that looks pretty crazy, a bunch of lines, but you should go in here, this little icon, and change the colors. It's been a while since I've done it, but you'll figure it out. I have a video that shows you how to do it on my YouTube account, so check that out sometime. Are we topped out here? I'm wondering. Thanks for the help. I'll connect my Ninja again. Man, it's pretty awesome. I just tried logging in through NinjaTrader website and it opened up what looks like Tradeify, but with NinjaTrader font. Yeah, it's the same thing pretty much. They're all the same company. Top Step X is pretty decent too. Yes, it is. Buying again here. Yes, I am. My prediction was correct so far. If we can't get up here, then probably go lower again, to be honest with you. I'm like this close to passing. It's like that much. I've never had a Top Step funded account. This is like my first time trading Top Step, so everyone has a Top Step account. Everyone. I'd like to see some movement. Nasdaq. Can we please get this over with? I need $70. Hello, can I trade in the Asian session with an Apex BA account? Yes, you can, Ethan. I think Top Step X interface is good, but the execution is poor. I haven't had any issues on execution. What do you mean by that? Just better futures. Yes, this is NQ. NQ. I'm trading micros. 5-minute chart. Slippage is greater in top step X when I compare to trade of A. Okay. I haven't noticed any. I don't really pay attention to that though either. I know I do get some on NinjaTrader as well, especially TradingView. I don't pay too much attention. I just trade though. I'm trade in Forex. Nice, man. Welcome to the stream, by the way. I used to trade Forex. Wire stop is higher than TP. Honestly, I don't know. It was. I don't have like a hard stop at the moment. This is just movable. The TP is set here because that's what I need to pass the account. Can you see that on the screen there? Here, let me lower it. So our balance is at 52,914. So all I need is this many points to pass. We need another, I don't know, 10, 15 points. Then I'll pass this eval and it'll be a funded account. This right here is kind of not set, to be honest with you. I don't remember it being that low, but oh yeah, it was pretty low, and then we added to the contracts here. All right, just better. But I'm always lose, but don't give up. Don't give up, man. Funded account. This is an eval. So no, it's not a funded account. I do have funded accounts. I'm just not trading them right now. I normally trade my funded accounts in the morning. Unless I just see an amazing setup that I want to trade, I'll jump in on my live account or funded accounts. I'm about to deposit another 10 grand in another live account that I have. About to pass my top step eval in 2-3 days. Yay. Chakib to my Tomi. I don't know how to say your name, man. Sorry. How long you took to pass it? This has been a couple days. Here, let's look. Trader Hub, is that what it is? Nope. Still getting used to it. Let's see. I got it on the 8th. I've just been playing around with it a little bit. Traded a few. I'm new to Top Step X, Top Step in general. So, $1,200 on day 1. Lost a little bit. $1,000 on day 3. Lost a little bit. Didn't trade much. I always forget about it. So, $1,400 another time. Yeah. So today we're gonna pass it. So far, we're up $45 on this account. And yeah. Ethan, that's why it's called Project Slip X. I wonder how that's going to go with live accounts. Did you trade yesterday NQ when NVIDIA news hit? I think I was in a trade that really jumped to the upside. I'm pretty sure I was. Wasn't I Eric's Cave? I think I took on like $500-600 yesterday when that happened. I made money on my live account. I made money on funded accounts. And yeah, had a good day. Hey, beautiful. Yeah, I thought so. I couldn't remember. I'm pretty positive. Say hello, traders.
Hello, traders.
Say, my name is Olivia.
My name is Olivia.
They call me Olive.
You call me Olive.
Any day now, Nasdaq. We need to push. Penny's made $20K from that pump. I think he shorted it. Yeah, I shorted too. Just better. Green, I agree. Good call. You riding your bike?
Yeah.
Go tell mommy we want some cobbler.
Okay.
All right. Let me catch up on the chat. I always think it would be interesting to see a kid trade just to tell them green means buy, red means sell. They would have zero emotions. Yeah, I have a video on my YouTube account. You can watch it where my daughter Haley, she had a birthday trade. So I let her trade, and if she whatever she won on that trade, I would give her. She could have won whatever. It would have benefited me in the long run anyway. So yeah, but she tried to close it, and I talked her out of it, and she made a little more than she would have if I wouldn't have talked her out of it. Then she got greedy. So check out the video. It's cool. It's a quick watch. Nothing too long. Haha, interesting how greed takes over no matter the age. Oh yeah, 100%. My girls are greedy as they come. They're spoiled though too, so they want for nothing. My girls and my wife, none of them. What?
I'm not getting
She says she's not getting up.
her can know.
Oh really? Is she in the bedroom?
Yes.
Tell her she sucks.
No.
Okay. You don't have to tell.
Hiya.
Oh, bedtime. Yeah, greed takes over no matter what, no matter the age. My girls are never happy and content with what they have. Always want more. I'm glad we finally got the stream set up properly. Golly, that was crazy. Yo, I'm playing Fortnite. Listen to your stream, Illo. Waiting for an up. Fortnite. That's one thing I've never been into is games. The only game I play is trade. Sometimes I'll play poker, WSOP. I like Texas Hold'em. Y'all look at Caves P&L. Even with a 42% win rate. Look at his average win compared to his average loss. That is solid. All right, we're in the red now. He cuts his losers fast. Yeah, it's probably the best way to do. Since we're coming down, I want to come up with my stop here. I don't want to be $50. All right, there it is. Filled. Starting to get a little good thing to do. Yeah, I agree. I probably could have gave that a little more room. pumping up again. These micros ain't doing it. I just need 150 bucks. We would have already been done if I would have traded a mini contract. We have 2 minutes left on the 5-minute candle. See what happens. Michael Patak posted on X something about payout caps. We have the biggest cap in the game. Should we even have a payout cap? Every prop seems to have a cap, but what about no cap? Or as the cool kids say, no capping. And then someone says, takeprofittrader has no payout cap, no consistency rules on funded and daily payouts. They do have a cap, $10,000. Once you hit 10,000, your trade will close, I think. No crap. I'm muted. Can y'all hear me? Yeah, I guess so, because he responded to what I was talking about. So I guess Top Step's going to no cap. That'd be cool. My daughter's calling. Hang on. daughter called. 1-to-1 risk here. Can we get it? Honestly, don't think that much risk is a good idea. Not with this candle here. What happened to... Look at that. We have almost hit it. I'm going to go ahead and push. Well, we don't even have to. Let's bring it up just a little bit. We've made our 110. Let's hope it continues to the upside. Look at that. Looks like we need $5 more. Wait. 52,945. We need 55. Good night. I love you. There's that slippage and fee. That sucks. $45. So let it run. How much is left on the 5-minute chart? Got a brand new candle, don't we? All right, I like this candle. Let's risk about 60. All we need is $50. There's some of it. We'll go to 60 just in case. I'll tell you what, I'm just gonna move my stop. Take profit. Don't stop me out, please. Need $10 more. Come on, hit it. $9.98. I might actually close it when it hits. We're at $9.93. Come on, Nasdaq. Push. What are the spreads right now? Lord. We're entering this area here, and I'm a little nervous because if you look left, I mean, rejection hard here, so I'm kind of scared for a long position. We need $30, and we're past. Let's just try it. I don't want to risk much. I'll risk about $60. I don't need much. Need like $30. Hey John, what are some of your pros of TPT? Well, daily payouts. That's really the only pro. The only thing different. I don't like that you can't trade news, so that's a con. The only pro is daily payouts. That's it. Everything else is, I can get that everywhere else. So they pay pretty fast from the moment you enter your payout request. They do pay fast. Alright, I just need you to hit my TP. All we need is like 30 something dollars. She looks like she wants to. Jeez. Ain't it wild how you just need a few points to pass and it won't give it to you? I do like takeprofittrader. I like having 5 pro accounts. I've never gone into Pro Plus, but I do think I will eventually. $10 away from stop loss here. Golly, come on. I might have to pass this in the morning. Loser trade. Look at it ripping down now. I don't have any directional confluence right now, so I can't really trade it. Right now I'm just gambling, so back to where I started. We're up $37 on this account. And the reason I don't is because I feel like we're at an area, if you look left, obviously there's some resistance here, so definitely some sellers. I don't really know, so looks like it wants to come up, kind of, but I don't know. I'm gonna give it a little time to play out. I'll be right back. All right, I can't get in right now. This is not gonna. Eric's, just so you know, you have to trade 5 days on TPT. It's one thing that really sucks. Todd Alvarez, profitable trading is cutting losers fast, and that's the secret. Can be. It depends on how much you're making or how much you're trading with. So if I had like a actual 50K account, my risk should be 500 to 1,000 per trade. Right now I'm trading eval, so I'm kind of taking a little bit more risk than I should, but what happens if you go over your total profit target? It just changes your profit target from, it happens to me every time. Typically I try to make 14, as close to 1,500 each on the first 2 days as I can. And then after that, I just kind of flip. So you'll want to make like $1,400 or $1,500 for 2 days straight, and then get past your 3K and get enough past it so you can just flip a micro for 2 days, 3 days, however many days you need to. Tradeify is 1 day pass. Apex is 1 day pass. Funding ticks is 2 day pass, 50%. I like funding ticks a lot. She looks like she wants to come down. Trade day is pretty cool too. I haven't really traded much on trade day. I had a funding ticks account. I was right at payout. And then had a really bad day. Might have to give Apex a shot then. Use code JSDT. One thing I like to do with Apex accounts, I'll buy like 10, 20 of them, and I'll go through and just set a buy order on either micros or minis and just let it run. Do 2 or 3 at a time that way, and you'll be surprised how many accounts you can pass really quickly. Just walk away. Let the trade play out. Set your take profit to $3,000 and your stop loss for $2,500. Funding ticks, by the way. Yeah, you can have 20 accounts at Apex, up to 20. Funding ticks, by the way, is $2,500 profit target on the 50K account. That's one really cool. Top step is GOAT, bro. Yeah, I don't know. It just depends on your trading style, I think. This thing looks like it wants to come down just a little bit more. 20 or 15. I don't know. I'd be willing to go long at this blue line. Chillax Hub. That's a cool name. The straight to funded tradeify accounts are really nice. Yeah, they're pretty cool. I've had them. They're expensive, but you can use a 50% coupon code right now on tradeify. Today's the last day. That's the biggest discount you can get. Apex payouts are tricky though. Yeah, they are a little tricky, but as long as you follow the rules, you'll be okay. Thanks, bro. This account was meant for relaxing videos, but gave up that years ago. Yeah. I should have took a short like I wanted. Jeez. FOMO is real, boys. FOMO is real. All right, this is where I would want to go long. Let's see if it would have played out. Well, how much time's left on the 5 minute? 2 minutes. I'm really tired here. Gotta get up in the morning. Still rejecting here. Doesn't mean it can't go lower, but what do you do for work, dude? I own a landscaping company and a lawn spray company. So we do fertilization, weed control. I spray yards all day long. Pull a 300-foot hose around. Until 2 weeks ago, I didn't spray any. I had other people doing it, but I fired everybody and said, I'll just do it myself. I build $30K a month. Easy. So instead of paying someone else, I can just pocket $30K minus some expenses. And my overhead's really low. Really low. Chemical cost is minimal. It costs me, I'd say, about less than $100 for one tank, a 200-gallon tank, and I can make $1,500 to $2,000 a day with that thing. Today I made like $1,400, and I stopped at like 2 o'clock, something along them lines. I took a couple breaks in between, went and helped my wife. So spraying money. And then I do a little pest control stuff too, like lawn pest and mosquito treatments and stuff like that. You ever heard of like True Green? It's a company like True Green. I used to work for True Green. And the reason why I started this company is because mowing, there's thousands of trucks in a truck. And it's easy to get into, but the service industry that I'm in, there's a huge barrier to entry. You have to have 2 years experience with another company, and then you got to take a series of 3 tests to get your license to do what I do. Even my spray techs have to have a special license to get in. So barrier to entry is high, so competition is low. And now I'm the only company in my hometown here that offers the service. We serve, last year I was worth $1 million, but I sold a bunch of that and actually got rid of a bunch of clients that were a hassle. So lost quite a bit, but now it's just me, and look at that push to the downside. Yeah, so now it's just me. I'm very blessed financially. I'm actually thinking about starting a channel based on spraying, lawn service type thing. Because I've made it work. I've been successful with it, so I can help other people achieve the same thing. I thought about putting like those GoPro vest things on and go out and spray. Show like how much I've made today, or whatever. I don't like sharing my income though. That's just one thing. I'm very private typically. I don't want people to think that, I don't know, think bad of me because I make a lot of money. More money, more problems, though. That saying is so true. We're gonna bounce here or what? Looks like we're holding right here. That's key, man. You're good at something now. It's time to teach others, and you'll grow exponentially that way. Create a following on what you're skilled at. Yeah, I agree. That's why I started the trading thing too, because I'm pretty decent at it. I'm not like a millionaire trader, but I'm really just documenting my journey, hoping to help other people. Have you ever tried a 300K Apex account? Yeah, no, never. 300K is the problem is you got to get a lot of profit on it before the buffer's good. The buffer is definitely good, the drawdown, but you have to make so much on that to really profit. So I I can scale into something like that in the future, but right now 50Ks, 25Ks, 150Ks, those are my my choice. What do you do, Chillax Sub? What's your name? Let me guess. Chris. Just kidding. $50K is probably the sweet spot. Oh yeah, it's definitely the sweet spot. $50K, $100K, $150K. Those are three best. 25Ks are even good, because the problem with 25Ks are you're limited on contracts, which is probably not even a problem. Most people fail prop firms because oversizing. No way, your name is Chris? That's funny. Anyway, oversizing is probably the number one killer in this industry. But the buffer is small, so you get to pay out a lot quicker. Are you making money, or are you giving everybody money on the market? Well, yeah, I made money today. I did all right. Hope you did too, man. Did you donate that 20,000? But yeah, 25Ks you can make money quick. You get your payout quicker, $1,500, and then everything from that up is golden. I took a couple of shorts. Nice, man. I was trading the chop. I was spot on with my entries today, or yeah, earlier today. I was spot on. I was literally spot on. I was in a long here, in a short here, in a long here, in a short here. I think I was even in a long here. I took like 3 or 4 trades today. I was just waiting for the market to kind of break down like this. Like this. I wasn't even paying attention to the market about this time though. I'm a construction director for a development firm, work from home, so it's not too shabby, and love trading, though. I've been with Top Step 2 years now. Heck yeah, man. I've been trading prop firms since January. Before that was a TradeStation Live account. And before that, I was trading Forex, a little bit of Bitcoin buys, not Bitcoin, but crypto in general. But Forex for, 9 years. I gave Forex up last year. I got tired of it. One thing in life, no one can take my birthday suit away from me. That's the only form of clothes my wife can never take away from me. Lost Pennies, you're something else. Hey, what's your name anyway, Lost Pennies? Are we setting up for a nice little reversal here? We could be. But I'm not going to trade it because I don't know. This is no trade territory for me. I'm actually fixing to cut the stream and go to bed. I got to get up in the morning. I will trade tomorrow and finish this account off. We only need $110 now since we lost that. Usually when the market starts selling off, make a huge pop to the upside and then fell off again. It's very important you always have these two time frames. Have these two time frame up for 50 minutes and 64 minutes. Yeah, the 4 hour and the 1 hour. See, I've never done options. I want to look into options just to play around with it, something extra, you know? But I've never really done options. I also want to day trade stocks, but I'm going to wait until I make it big in futures. Started with options, had a good run until my risk management went to crap. One thing I like with options is that you can hedge, cut the loser and let the winner run. We were $5 away. Yeah, we were so close, man. Eliminate the 15-minute time frame completely, not an efficient time frame. I disagree, sir. I like the 5, the 15, the 30, the 1 hour, the 4 hour. 15 and lower, you get a lot more noise. Absolutely, but I don't know. Especially with prop firms, you gotta be able to see a little more granular. More leverage than futures. You'll make a killing if you catch a good move. Yeah. I've heard, man. I wonder why that did not. Your name's Ezekiel. Cool. I almost named my son Ezekiel, but we had a girl instead. She's pregnant currently. We were thinking about Ezekiel. I can't even remember the rest of the names. Riker. I don't remember all of them, but oh man, I'm so sick of this one-time password with Apex. Got a bunch of Apex rebuilds coming. Oh no. Here's a simple strategy I could give you for option dividend stocks. When did getting close to payout the dividends at the highest peak of stock open option contract against. When there's a dividend payout, open an option contract against the stock is a simple strategy to make money on. We'll have to talk about that later, man. I need to understand it a little deeper. Looks like it's trying to pop back up. There's your pullback to go further upside. I'm not sure, but I think. But for now, I'm going to hit the hay. And we're up like $100 for the night session so far. I got to close a few trades, though, that we're in. I forgot about. Actually, I might just let it run. Let's do it. Take profit. And then tradeify. What is that? Oh, we're not open on that. Just one. Good night, dude. Thanks for coming and hanging out, man. It's good to meet you, Chris. That's funny. I've never been good at guessing names. But yeah. Hope you guys have a wonderful night. Wait, let's see what Lost Penny said. Please go check New project in Aptos. What is Aptos, man? When the market reached certain conditions, I changed my time frame to get a better clean price action on the higher time frame. Night, man. Cave, if you're still around, hope you have a good night, sir. I'm glad you didn't short. Y'all have a good day. Peace.